Hi, I'm Chef Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Paradise Hawaiian-Style Drink. This is an exact copy of one of those fabulous drinks you would have whenever you're going to some sort of tropical island, but now you can make it at home. First, I want to get a little bit of ice and put it in my glass. Then I'm going to put a little bit of ice in my cocktail shaker, about 4 ice cubes. Then add 1 ounce of gin, add 1 ounce of brandy. I'm using regular brandy, but you could use a cherry brandy or an apricot brandy, whatever you have on hand. Add a couple ounces of orange juice. Pineapple juice also tastes really, really good in this recipe. And then a little splash of grenadine. Grenadine is a super sweet cherry concentrate, and it will give your Paradise Hawaiian drink that bright pink glow. Then put it in your shaker and shake it really good. Shake it for about 20 seconds to give all the ingredients time to mix together and get nice and foamy. Now to serve, I'm going to pour it into my glass. Oh, that looks beautiful. It looks exactly like a cocktail you would have on the beach. And then to garnish, use your favorite fruit. I've got a pick here, and I'm going to put a raspberry, and an orange, and a slice of lime. This is Chef Mariko showing you how to make a Paradise Hawaiian-style cocktail. Enjoy.